Hey everyone, so I'm here to give you guys a review and a first impressions of this super cute wig that I did receive for my personal review. It's from a company named Wignee, and I'm going to make sure to give you guys all the details coming up. So as you guys can see, I was not having the best hair day today, but thanks to Wignee, that is all about to change. Here's the packaging that the wig comes in, and it also has the wash day instructions on the back, so if you want to wash your hair. But in this video right here, I'm just going to show you guys how it looks straight out the box and once I put it on my head. So it does come with a little net around it to keep it nice and secure and minimize flyaways. It comes with a wig cap as well as a pair of eyelashes. Right here, I'm just showing you what the wig cap looks like in case you want to use it, but I will be wearing my own wig cap. So I'm going to go ahead and remove the netting off of the wig to show you guys what it looks like up close. So right out of the package, I think the curl wave pattern is very pretty. It's almost like a beach wave. It's not necessarily curly, but just that beach wave look, and that I absolutely love that texture. I also love that it comes with bangs and you don't have to worry about any lace in the front trying to blend anything, and they're free bangs, so that means you can either wear them straight down, to the left, to the right, or split it down the middle. I'm going to actually be wearing mine to one side. And also, I should just add, this is very soft. Here's what the inside looks like. Here are the ear tabs right here. And it does not have any clips or anything, but it does have an adjustable band in the back in case you want to tighten it to your liking. So I put mine on the loosest setting. So I just have my hair in two little pigtails in the back because I didn't feel like braiding my hair up. So I'm just going to crisscross them like this and pin them up and then put my stocking cap on. Once I had got my stocking cap on all the way, I was kind of worried that my hair would be bulky in the back where I had the two plaits at. But by the hair being wavy the way it is, it definitely helps to disguise that. So once I put my stocking cap on, I always make sure to move it back off of my edges because I don't want the band is so tight. The wig cap is very tight, so I try to make sure to slide it back from my edges so that I won't have any type of damage. Here's what it looks like on all the way, and then I'm just going to go ahead and slip the wig on. This is my first time putting it on camera right here, so I am going to have to play with it a little bit and see how it fits me best and how I want to style it and how I like it. After I had worn this wig for a few days, I noticed that it was more comfortable for me to just not hook the adjustable tags on anything in the back. I just like unhooked it and left it loose, and that was much more comfortable on my head throughout the day, and it still was tight enough for me not to have to worry about it coming off or moving or anything like that. So right here, I'm just going to get my powder brush it out, see how I want to style it. For a few days, I actually did just wear it straight down like this, but I thought it was way cuter with a headband. So later in the video, you'll see me add a headband, which definitely took it to like a different level and made it look more cute and realistic. Right here, I'm playing with the bangs, trying to see which way that I wanted them because this was my first time putting it on. So I didn't know if I wanted to wear the bangs straight down, to the left, to the right, split in the middle. So right here, I'm just trying to figure out which way would look best on me. And I'm trying to experiment to see which side I want them to be on. Right here, I just wanted to test it out and see how they looked it straight down in my face. Of course, you can adjust the wig where they won't be like right over your eyes. But the only reason I didn't leave the bangs straight down in my face like this is because I usually get headaches when I wear my bangs like that. And I absolutely love to wear my bangs like that, but I get headaches. So I usually always have to wear my bangs off to one side. I wore this wig for an entire week, and one of the best things I liked about it was that it did not tangle on me at all. Like, I maybe brushed or combed it 2 or 3 times a day, and even the times that I did brush and comb it, there was no tangling to it. That is absolutely awesome, and the hair is very soft. Another thing that I like about the wig is the density. It has a low density, so it's not big and voluminous and puffy. It's just like your regular hair, and to me that makes it look a little bit more realistic because it's not like this super big hair, but it's just normal size hair that most of us have. For any of you guys who look at my videos, you know that I love shoulder length hair. Like ever since I cut my hair back in July of 2020, like to me it just looks really good on me, shoulder length hair. So this right here, I was super excited. This wig is 14 inches off black. It is the Brazilian human hair body wave. So I'm just showing you guys how the hair looks out in natural sunlight. I love how it's really soft. It's really soft and the density is nice. It doesn't seem like it's like too big, too bulky or anything like that. I think I'm gonna put some headbands on. Just to spice the style up and see once I get in the house. I bet this would be really cute like a headband. So what I'm about to do right here is just another little simple hairstyle that I was thinking about wearing for a few days out of the week. Basically just pull the hair back some, but let the bangs hang and let the back hang as well, and then just secure it with an elastic in the back. I thought that would be a cute simple hairstyle to wear a couple of days out of the week. Only thing that I wish I did different was use a little edge control on my sideburns, because I do have longer sideburns. So with this style right here with the side showing, I wish I would have just added a little edge control, but it's okay because at the end of the video, make sure to stay tuned because I'm gonna show you the finished look when I have it really polished, and I'm actually gonna add edge control so you can see how the end results look. Another hairstyle that I think would be really cute, I didn't recreate it in this video, but I think if you would put a thick headband on, and then you would be able to actually wear this hair up high into a ponytail or a bun. I think that would be a cute hairstyle as well. This hair is very light, it's not heavy at all, it's easy to take off and put on every day, and the Wignee company has a lot of more different styles on their website. They also have lace fronts if you're interested in those kind of wigs. I'll make sure to add a coupon code so you guys can get a discount if you'd like to check these products out. I'll leave the company's information down in the description box so you can get the direct link to this wig and also their other social media accounts as well. Make sure to let me know if you guys are enjoying this video thus far with a thumbs up. I really appreciate that. And now I'm going to actually move on to the headband that I was telling you guys about. So this headband right here is super cute. You can get these from Amazon. I'll leave some links down in the description box. I was having a hard time putting it on the other way, so it's best to just slide it down on top of your head. But the only thing about that, I didn't want to mess up my bangs, so it still did pretty okay. So once I get the headband on, I'm gonna actually move it up right behind my ears and leave the bangs hanging out. I wanted to be super careful with this part because I didn't want to mess up the bangs so that it started showing too much of my hair on my edges. So just keep that in mind in case you decide to wear a headband. It might be easier to put your bonnet on first and then put your headband on. So it could be worn like this, but I thought it was super cute once I took the elastic out and let the hair hang free from the back. To me, I wore my hair the entire week like this because it was just super cute to me to have the bangs and then the headband and then the hair hanging in the back. To me, this looks very realistic, and it's cute and it's carefree. So here's the final look, you guys. Let me know down in the comment section what you think about this wig. And I actually took it with me out of town like the past weekend, and it still did really good. I didn't have to worry about a whole bunch of tools. I just had my wig, my bonnet, and my brush, and I was looking cute every day. As I stated earlier, make sure you check out Wignee's company for different wigs. Also, if you want to buy a wig or this particular wig, I will have a coupon code down in the description box. So if you guys have any questions or comments, just let me know. Thanks for watching.